Hey guys, I want to talk about tapping the anvil again. I made a video before, and here's more in depth into it. Some blacksmiths follow a rhythm. I personally don't. But what happens is when you set the hammer down on the anvil, it just naturally bounces. So you're working your piece, you set your hammer down, it bounces. So that's another reason why it's being tapped, because it's just naturally does it, guys. So you get a habit of bang, 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 you set it down, you look, and while it's tapping away, you just lift it up. So it looks like you're tapping the anvil, but also it's just a byproduct of the hammer being set down.